Right, welcome back guys. So today we've got a lovely Citreon C1 little clutch we're doing today. So just a quick one. You've got to remove battery, kind of get out of your way, get down to the gear linkages, bolts at the top. So we'll be back in a second. So now just drop your linkages off, obviously take pin out, same here, pop it up, take pin out, pop it off here. Obviously you already got one out. And then a couple of bolts back there and we'll come back to you. Get yourself up on axle stands as well, just so it don't drop on you. Get it on both sides. Winner. So just remove the wheel. There we go, passenger wheel off. So you want to remove the driver's side wheel as well, and the driver's wheel off. So now you need to do, take out obviously the drive shaft hub nut, drop that off, just so you can bash the arm down out, so you can get the stuff out. And the same with on the passenger side. Peugeots, don't forget to drain your gearbox. Well, Citreon 24 nut here, big nut, get it out, and obviously your fluid will come running. All right, see you in a minute. So now we've got all our oil out, we can now pop drive shafts out, because obviously if you pop drive shafts out without draining the oil, you're gonna have oil freaking everywhere. So get those out, we'll be back in a sec guys. There you have it, it's out. All out, drive shaft out. Same on the passenger side, drive shafts out. No more, all gone, all on the floor. So, on to the next bit. Now what you gotta do is just unbolt the gearbox and pull it down, and you're good. See you in a bit. So there we go guys, it's time to get the box out. So, take the lower dog bone mount out, bolt. Take off this bolt, this bolt, bolt there, there's a bolt up there, and then obviously you've got to pull the starter out just up there, you see a starter, get that out, and yeah, that's it, easy as that guys. Right, so all the box bolts are out except we left one in, obviously, because we've got to put the engine on a jack on a block of wood. World's quickest gearbox removal on a Citreon C1. Ready? Just like that, it's out. Shazam! One gearbox on the floor. Marvin's having a go at it now. Look at him. What are we doing there? Oh, release bearing time. Oh, taking out the release bearing. So there you go, guys. Now all you got to do, take your clutch out, stick a new one in, and put it all back together. Easy as that, guys. So for anyone wondering, the clutch pressure plate bolts are 19 Newton meters to torque them up. So see here, and all you need to do, if you put your gearbox bolt in, put a screwdriver against it, so any of you new guys having attempting this, it's not a bad clutch. Hold up there, just stop it moving, and then you can torque your bolts up evenly. Remember, star shape baby, that's what I do on these anyway. In a bit. And that's it guys, back together. All on. Rubbish drop link, needs a new one, but all on. There you go guys, all back together, linkages, everything's back on now. See you in a bit. That's pretty much the end of it now, but one last important thing just for everybody out there, remember to torque your wheels up and do it properly, don't just gun the flipping life out of them. See, nice and easy. Well, that's pretty much it. In a bit guys. So if you do attempt one of these, it's a lot easier if you got a buddy to do it, and like myself, you know, just makes the job that little bit easier. Well, one's on the top, one's on the bottom, and bolting things, blah 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 blah. It sounded a bit naughty that did, but it's not, I promise you. At the end of the day, job done. On to the next one. See you in a bit. Peace.